Trade fair is more than just a showcase of products. Kung nakikita niyo po, hindi lang po mga produkto, but yung efforts po na pinagdaanan po ng ating mga SMEs para magawa itong efforts ito is a proof to their unwavering dedication to continue to innovate, thrive despite the challenges. Alam ko po maraming pinagdadaanan ng challenges ang ating mga SMEs, but nevertheless, nandito po ang government, lalo na po ang DTI, ang ating mga key officials na patuloy nagsusuporta sa ating maliliit na nagnenegosyo. There is more to Central Luzon than our vast agricultural fields, serene beachlines, and round mountain ranges, which we know we have edge in terms of the tourism destinations. The 27th Likas Central Luzon continues to reflect DTI3's commitment to promote products that are not only on market ready, but also rooted in our heritage and mindful of our future. From artisanal crafts to gourmet delicacies, each item here tells a story of passion, culture, and ingenuity. We are proud to host again the 148 exhibitors from the 7 provinces of Central Luzon, each bringing with them a unique array of products, from Zambales mango byproducts and bamboo crafts, to Pampanga's furniture and handicrafts, Tarlac's sweet delicacies and home decor. For Bulacan's is the artisanal creations, and Bataan, of course, marine products, and Aurora's the natural goods. For Nueva Ecija is the food and the fashion items. These products embody provincial branding of each province. For Aurora, it's syempre Aurora. For Bataan, it's Galing Bataan. Bulacan is Tatak Bulakenyo. Nueva Ecija is Taas Noo Novo Ecijano. For Pampanga, it's Lao Pampanga. Tarlac, it's Natural Tarlac, and the best of Zambales for Zambales. The next 5 days will be a one-of-a-kind experience of what we can offer. We invite everyone to come to explore, engage, and experience the rich diversity of Central Luzon.